Hey guys, it's Tom here, and I just wanted to make a quick video to show you some of the profits you can be making tonight on the Champions League. Man United are playing Juventus at 8 PM, and there's a fair few offers kicking about on the bookies. So I'll just go through some of the main ones and show you how you can profit from them. If you just head over to the Lunchtime Profits blog post, I've listed all of the offers pretty much in order that I would do them. I'll mention Bet365 at the end because there's a few things to mention about that. So we'll just go through the other ones first, and then I'll talk about the Bet365 offer. So firstly, we've got William Hill. It's a simple bet £10, get £5. No strings attached. All you have to do is click the claim, click the visit offer, click claim when you're on the page, and then just bet £10 at 1.2 or above, lay it off, and you get £5 free. Really, really simple. One thing to mention as well is that if you can click claim and it says your claim successful, then you are able to do the promotion, even if you're gubbed. It works on a lot of gubbed accounts, so just make sure you can claim it, and if you have claimed it, your bet should be credited instantly, and you'll make around £3, £3.50 profit. Really simple to do. The second offer was Ladbrokes. So this is one of them ones you have to bet on sort of the weird markets or the correct score. It's not just a straight up bet on anything you want. So the markets they've limited it to, it's £10 risk free, and they've limited it to first goal scorer, last goal scorer, anytime goal scorer, and correct score and get a price. Now, what I recommend here, as I have in previous videos, is to bet on the correct score. Normally 0-0 or 1-1 tend to have close matches. So we can take a look at those quickly. Head over to football. They won't be at the top, so I'll just type it in, Juventus. There we go. And we'll just look for the odds of 0-0 or 1-1. So if you scroll down to the correct score, which is down here, so 0-0 is 7.5 and 1-1 is 5.5. Go to the layouts. 0-0 is 11 and it was 7.5, and 1-1 is 7.4 and it was 5.5. So it's not great, but we'll just go with one of these odds just to show you how it works anyway. So basically open up OddsMonkey, go to the tools, go to the calculators, and go to the risk-free equal profit calculator. Now what you can do, you can either just back any correct score on Ladbrokes for £10, lay it off as normal, and then if it wins, you don't make any money, but if it loses, you then get a £10 free bet, so you're in profit. I'm a match better. I prefer to guarantee my profit, so I'm going to lock in this offer personally myself. So once you've opened up the risk-free equal profit calculator, your back stake is going to be £10. Your back odds are going to be the odds of the correct score you're betting on. So let's just choose 0-0 for example. So we're betting at 7.5. That's the back odds. The lay odds are going to be the lay odds of the correct score that you're betting on. So at 0-0 we've got 7.5, and the lay odds of 0-0 are 11.0. So put that in the calculator. The lay commission is 0% because obviously I'm on markets with OddsMonkey. The free bet award is £10. And the free bet retention is 80% because you can easily get 80% from that. Now here it's saying my lock-in's only around £4 profit. You can normally get £5, so what I'd advise is just wait until closer to the match, or just look at some other markets as well, because I've just quickly checked this correct score. There might be some closer odds, but all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and place your £10 back bet, and then rather than laying £9 or whatever you normally would, you're only laying £6.9, so you're laying a lot less. And that's because if the bet wins, you'll guarantee a profit straight away. And if the bet loses, you'll lose a little bit of money, but then you'll get the £10 free bet, which you'll recuperate the losses from. Really simple to do. Just literally change the back odds and the lay odds for the market that you've chosen. And you should make around £4 or £5 profit, maybe even £6 if there's better odds later on. But yeah, really easy offer from Ladbrokes. Love it when they do that. The next one we'll go through is Betfred. So Betfred, again, really simple offer. This is an in-play one now, so you have to bet £10 in play on any match tonight. Now this isn't just tied down to the Man United Juventus match like all of the other offers. This is any match, so you can bet on any Champions League match tonight, and yeah, you'll just get a £5 free bet tomorrow. But one thing to mention is that the free bet does expire very quickly. I think I wrote it down in the instructions. Yep, so the free bet will be credited by tomorrow at 11 o'clock. It could be done tonight. It's normally quite quickly and credited, and then it will expire by 9 AM on Thursday. So just make sure you use that bet as quick as possible, because you don't want to be just putting a £10 trigger loss down for no reason when you're not getting a free bet. But again, you make around £3.50 off that offer. Really simple to do. Now we go on to BetWay. Now this is an offer that you normally can't lay, Some of you may have read our recent article that we've got on the blog to do with laying builder bets, like price it up bets. Tonight you can actually lay it very, very easily. So this is a nice risk-free guaranteed profit offer if you're attempting it tonight. Basically what they want you to do is bet £5 on their Bet Your Way market of the Man United and Juventus match. Now the Bet Your Way market is one of those where you have to bet on 3 or 4 different outcomes or whatever, or 2, 3, 4 outcomes in one go. So basically like an accumulator bet. So yeah, you just bet a £5 on that, on the game, and then it's going to give you a straight up £5 free bet. And then as an added bonus, if Cristiano Ronaldo scores at any time in the match, you're going to get another £5 on top. So you could get a potential of £10 free bets. Normally you'd back £5 on the Bet Your Way market, hope it wins, and obviously you get your £5 free bet anyway. Today you can actually lay it, so I'll just quickly show you how. Once you've visited the offer and the game loads, because it's being really slow, you're going to click on, okay, this is the Man United match, you're going to click on the Bet Your Way tab. So we'll click on the Bet Your Way tab, and the very first thing you can see is both teams to score and over 2.5 goals. So this requires both teams to score and over 2.5 goals. So if you go onto the exchange, there should be a market for match odds. Oh, there you go. Both teams to score and over 2.5 goals. So it's exactly the same name actually. Really easy to do. So on BetWay, the current odds are 2.5. That's what this is in decimal. And on the exchange, the current odds are 3.0. So simply just open up the calculator, put your £5 in, 2.5, 3.0. So you're taking an 84p loss, and then you're going to get a £5 free bet. And if Ronaldo scores, you'll get another £5 free bet. So you're going to make at least £3 off this offer, and then you could make another £4 on top of that as well. So it could be worth around £7 this promotion. And then we go on to the 888 offer. The 888 offer isn't massive value, and some people, you might look at it and get a bit put off, but I did have a little look into the numbers, and it is worth it. You can make around £2 profit, maybe more, guaranteed. So we'll just visit the offer here. What they're requiring you to do is bet £20 on a treble. So that's a selection that's got 3 events happening. And then you'll get £5 100% profit boost token. So basically you'll pick anything you want to bet on. Well, in this case, it has to be on the Champions League. So you'll bet on a Champions League game, any market, and they'll double the odds basically for you. But it'll be a £5 max stake. So you are using your own cash, but it's pretty much just like a free bet. If you did it on something at high odds, you'd be getting around £4 profit from it, £3.50. So I'll just show you how it works. So just you don't need to opt in or anything. Actually, you can just literally open up tonight's Champions League matches. So just click on Champions League on the left hand side, and it has to be tonight's games. Now the only criteria they have is that the odds have to be 2.0 or above, and it's got to be 3 selections tonight. So the one I've picked here, the odds are 3.06 in total, and obviously it's got 3 of tonight's selections. How did I choose this one? Simply go on to Markets. I did have a page open before. Here we go. If you go on to Markets, and on the left hand side, click on Football, and then click on Accumulators, and then click on Tuesday. Now this will open all of the accumulators that Markets have got for tonight. Now you can literally lay these off rather than messing around with accumulators like you normally would, laying one, then laying another, then laying another. You can simply place a back bet on all 3 on 888, and then you can go on the exchange and lay it all off in one go. No messing about whatsoever. The reason I chose the one I chose is if you look here at the lay odds of each one, you'll see some of them are high, some of them are low. The idea is to pick the lowest one, obviously, because you want to use the least liability. So the one I picked here is 3.4 lay odds. I have checked all the other ones as well, and the matches aren't as great. So simply go through, and the one I picked was Ajax, Bayern Munich, and Roma all to win. So by betting £20 on this, on 888, I'm now qualifying for the £5 profit boost token. Then go, so it says Ajax, Bayern Munich, and Roma. Go to the exchange, Bayern Munich, Ajax, and Roma, exactly the same match, and just lay it off at 3.4. So in the calculator, £5. And the back odds were 3.06, and then the lay odds were 3.4, and that's going to give you, oh sorry, it was £20 back stake. That's going to give you a £2 total loss. So you're losing £2, but then you're getting a 100% profit boost token. Now what this does is it will double the odds. So if you're picking something later on tonight or tomorrow, because it's got to be on a Champions League game in play, let's say you're picking something that's odds of 6, and the lay odds are 6.5, because that's a kind of match you'll take. What this will do is it will double the odds from 6. So take off 1, making it 5, times it by 2, making it 10, and add 1, so that'll make it 11. That's what double the odds of 6 are. If you can see here, that's making you a profit of £3.50. You've lost £2, so you're £1.50 in profit. Now, really, really easy to do. If you do have any questions on that one, then please do ask, because it does seem a bit confusing, but it is really, really, really simple to do. And yeah, it takes literally a few minutes. So get on that offer. If you're not too bothered about it, it's worthwhile £1.50. So if you're worried of making a mistake, then obviously do avoid it. And then finally, the big offer, Bet365. They got their Bet 50, get 50 on tonight. So as always, you just bet £50 pre-match on anything, lay it off as normal, and then you'll get £50 free in play. Now, some people will only get 25, some will only get 10, some will only get 5, some might not even have the offer, but most of you should have £50. Just one bit of advice I'll give you is to bet on either team to win. So it's on the Juventus-Man United match. Only bet on Man United or only bet on Juventus. If you're betting on anything else, it's kind of a silly idea, because if you're betting on Man United or Juventus to win, you're also qualifying for 2 up. So you're sort of killing 2 birds with 1 stone, and you could trigger another offer while still getting this free bet. So bet on Juventus to win or bet on Man United to win is the advice I'll give. And then for your free bet, wait until halftime, because if you're placing it in the game when they're actually playing, a goal could be scored and you could completely mess up the bet. You could have placed your free bet and then the lay odds might jump up. So always just wait until halftime. And just to help you out, we've got a Facebook thread here. So if you just click on this, it will open up our Facebook page, and there is a thread dedicated literally to this offer. So at halftime, people should hopefully be sharing their matches and stuff, so you can basically make an easier profit. And then other than that, there's just the usual risk-free offers. Coral and Paddy Power have also got an offer on the game. But yeah, just some normal risk-free stuff. And that's pretty much everything for this evening. So hopefully you make a decent profit tonight. And if you are getting on the 2-ups, then I hope it's a very fortunate night for you. And if it isn't on the 2-ups, you'll still have made a nice profit anyway from the risk-free offers. So thank you very much. Obviously drop the video a like, and I will see you soon. Thank you.